everyone, welcome to 327 Cypress Avenue. My name is Wen, coming from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today, this property I want to show you is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, really cute home in the best location in the whole town. I call this location San Bruno because it's right at the border between Millbrae and San Bruno, where you're far away from all the fog or the wind, and you get to enjoy the nice sunshine in proximate to Millbrae and all the amenity close to Millbrae as well. Come on over and take a look. The 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, you can develop it into your dream home, or you can slowly move in and enjoy the neighborhood to start with. 歡迎跟我一起參觀，過嚟一起看看，我哋睇下入邊係點樣嘅情況。呢個地段真係一流嘅。Thank you so much for watching the video with me. I hope you like it. Welcome to the open house in the weekend. 歡迎跟我一起參觀，隨時有問題跟我們聯繫，我哋隨時喺度等候，隨時回答你嘅問題。歡迎。